Hi, good afternoon. Today we are at 1920 Montward Road. That's just off Dunn Avenue, a little ways from the Five Star Credit Union. And this is a special property here. It's been part of Jacksonville for many hundreds of years. It used to be a 40-acre farm. Across the street is a reserve, so that's not going to be built on. On the left side here is a single family house. It's kind of secluded. On the back side of this property, there is a magnificent oak tree, at least 50 years old, as you can see. And in the back here, it backs up to a subdivision, but it's all privacy fenced, so this is a very secluded spot, in a very, close-in neighborhood. Back there is a spot for an extra garden, or there you can have access to build here at some point in time. So let's go in and take a look inside. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house. Large living room. Extra enclosed breezeway. This is a tile breezeway here. And you come in and sliding glass doors. Big living room. As you can see, a dining room table can go right here. Kitchen, new flooring on that. Spot here for a little dinette table, or a spot there for a freezer, or the same over on this side. Dishwasher, fridge, stove, custom pantry. Back side, back door here. And the laundry room goes here. Let's check out the bedrooms. Okay, this door closes here, so the bedrooms can be separated from the living area. This is the largest bedroom. It's got the built-in cabinets here. Plus the closet. Bath area. And this is a nice sized bedroom too. Have ceiling fans in all the rooms. Got a nice sized closet. Carpeting. Little pantry. All right, so we got a fireplace, mantle, extra storage here. Yep. You got 3 big, tall closets. Very nice. Okay. This is 1920 Montward Road, 32218, and a very lovely area of just off Dunn Avenue. Next time.